back to Nat 2. We have made it 1000. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. I want to say special shout outs to all of you who subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. This, you know, it's all in the making. It's all in the making. I just want to say thank you. Shout outs. I can't begin to thank you guys enough for being supportive of my channel and watching me, you know, when I post videos. So I just really have to come on and tell you guys thank you. Yeah, I'm really a bit tired because I came from work, a long day of work, and I just could not wait to do the video just to say thank you. We made it, yay! 1,000 subscribers, and we're pushing for some more zeros on that subscriber database. So I'm looking forward. I'm really grateful. There's so much more to come. Happy holidays to all of you guys. 2019 will be in soon. A lot more things to talk about, a lot more things to share with you guys. I just want to show you guys real quick my little updo. I just had to do a little updo today, y'all. So if you want to take a good look, this is my little updo. Yep, this is my little updo. Yes. Look at the texture of my hair. Yep. Let's turn around so y'all can take a quick look. So yeah, this is my updo. But anyhow, without further ado, congratulations to all my subscribers. If it wasn't for you, this channel would not be possible. So I want to say shout outs to you guys. So until the next time, also if you are new to the channel, I got plenty of videos for you guys to watch about my hair care journey. Please take a look at those videos and hit that notification bell, because every time I post a video, you will be getting notified. So please subscribe. Until next time, all my wonderful peeps, my lovelies, my honeys, or whatever you want to call yourself, I love you all. Thanks again for subscribing. Take care and God bless.